Hey guys, I'm Shadab from KarsiGeek back again with another video. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a fully responsive footer with Elementor Pro in WordPress. This tutorial is going to be very simple because I have created this tutorial for complete beginners who are not familiar with Elementor Pro. So we are going to build this footer from scratch. Firstly, I have created this footer in Adobe XD. You don't need to create this in Adobe XD. You can just simply follow me. The reason I have created this in XD because it saves a lot of time. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go to our dashboard. Note, in order to create this custom footer, you need to buy the Pro version of Elementor. You can buy the Elementor Pro from the link in the description below. To install Elementor, simply hover over plugins and click on add new. And on the right hand side, simply search for Elementor. And install and activate this Elementor page builder plugin. Once you have installed and activated the Elementor Pro, on the left hand side you will get a new option named templates. Click on that. And then click on add new and select footer and give it any name. Select footer and give it any name. I'm gonna name this footer 1 and click on create template. Elementor Pro offers pre-built footers. If you like any of these, you can simply click on insert, but in this tutorial we are going to create a footer from scratch, so we don't need them. Now to create this footer, we need to add text and images. First, let's create a column by clicking on the big purple plus button and select the first structure. And to add the heading, you can simply drag the heading option from your left hand side panel over here. Now we have got the text. Let's change its HTML tag to H5 and then change the text. Let's change the background color for the footer. Click on the 6 dot and go to style options. And select the background type as classic and change the color to black. Now change the text color. Click on the text and go to style option and change the color to white. Now let's add some padding to our footer again. Click on that six dots and go to advanced option and add 60 pixels in the paddings. Now let's add the remaining text and images. Now to save our time, we can simply duplicate this text 6 times. Now we have got 7 columns. Let's change the text. Now let's add the logo in the middle. First delete the text in the middle and add a simple image. Click on that and choose any image you want. Select your logo. Now let's add some padding to our footer to make it more elegant. Click on the first text and click on content. Change its alignment to center and then click on advanced option and then add 10 pixels to paddings. Now to again save our time, we can simply copy the style by right clicking on this edit heading option and click on copy and then right click on the second text and click on paste style. Paste the style on all the text. And after that, let's change the size of the logo as per our requirement. Click on the image and go to style option and change its width to around 70%. So we have successfully created this column, this custom footer from scratch. If you have learned something new, give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red shiny subscribe button and the bell icon too, so you won't miss my future updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay weird, stay original.